You can keep your timekeepers under customized group names and provide a description of the group for its purpose. These groups can then be used in our robust reports section, where you can pull reporting data under various categories for a specific group of timekeepers that you have created in the Timekeeper Groups section. To create timekeeper groups or subgroups, head under Account, Settings, and Groups. Right, here you can change the label as you wish. You do not have to keep the term timekeeper, professional, staff, groups, whatever your labels are, and you can change it to suit your business type. To add a new one, just click on New Professional Group. For example, we can add one here, and now we can add a subgroup here, and there we go. Once created, you can assign the timekeeper to the group under Account, Professionals. Click on the name of a professional, and here you can see the professional group and the professional subgroup fields. There we go. Click Save, and now you can use this to pull certain report types. For example, let's go to Professional Profitability, and here you can see that these groups and subgroups can be specified within this report.